welcome you to Nagesh Karasgi or Kids School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. So students, we will continue with our maths period. In the last period, can anybody tell me what we have learned? Yes, which chapter we have started? Good, we have started new chapter, that is time. What? New chapter, that is time. Okay, and in the last period we have seen the warm up, okay, and the things which we do on the time, how we do all our things, all our routine, whole day, how we follow the time. These things we have seen in the last period, okay, and in the last period I have shown you the clock also. So today in this period we are going to learn more about clock, how we can read the clock. Okay, now take out your saffron textbook. Come on, do it fast. Take out your saffron textbook, everyone. Page number 100. Take out your saffron textbook, page number 100. Got it, everyone? Got it? Okay, now students, see in the textbook में देखो सब लोग. So clock, what is the spelling? C-L-O-C-K, clock. Okay, a clock is used to find the time of the day. Why we use the clock? To find out the time of the day. हम clock क्यों यूज करते हैं? ताकि हमें दिन का टाइम, वक्त पता चले. ओके, सो C-L-O-C-K, clock. Why we use clock? Yes, it is used to tell the time of the day. दिन भर का वक्त बताने के लिए हम clock यूज करते हैं. Now, how is the clock? It has a face. A clock has a face. We everybody have face? हम लोगों को भी फेस है ना? यस, वैसे ही क्लॉक को फेस होता है. एंड 2 hands. हाउ मेनी हैंड्स अ क्लॉक हैज? 2 hands. इवन वी हैव 2 hands. ओके, द फेस ऑफ द क्लॉक इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द डायल. फाइन, द फेस ऑफ द क्लॉक इज ऑल्सो नोन एज डायल. Numbers 1 to 12 are written on its face. उसके फेस पे क्या लिखा हुआ होता है? Numbers. कहाँ से? 1 से लेके 12 तक. These numbers indicate hours and minutes. ये numbers क्या बताते हैं? hours और minutes बताते हैं. Okay? Now I will draw here one clock. Okay, so a clock can be in any shape, triangle, circle, rectangle, square, any shape. I have drawn here circle shape. Okay, so how the clock looks? Like this. It has numbers. What it has? Numbers. Okay, like these numbers are there on the clock. This is called face. ये जो पूरा ये कर्व दिख रहा है ना, इसे बोलते हैं face of the clock. And it has 2 hands. How many hands are there? 2 hands. Okay, one is bigger hand and one is small hand. ओके, वन इज बिगर. एक लॉन्ग होता है और एक शॉर्ट हैंड होता है. ऐसे कितने हैंड्स होते हैं क्लॉक में? 2 hands. हाउ मेनी? 2 hands. ओके, एंड देयर इज वन मोर हैंड चिल्ड्रन. इफ यू सी माइन्यूटली, देयर इज वन मोर हैंड. और एक हाथ होता है, वो बहुत ऐसे थिन होता है. कैसे होता है? थिन होता है. ओके, इट इज वेरी thin. Fine, but these we don't use. Means this hand is to tell seconds. Okay, long hand is used to tell the this one minute. ये जो बड़ा हाथ होता है ना, वो किसके लिए यूज करते हैं, क्या बताता है वो, मिनट्स बताता है. ओके ये जो छोटा वाला हाथ होता है, छोटा वाला हाथ होता है, वो क्या बताता है, hours. What it tells, hours. Okay, and this thin very thin hand, it shows seconds. What it shows, seconds. But here we consider only 2 hands. Okay, in our textbook they consider only 2 hands. So that third hand was just for your information, so this avoided. We will pay more attention on these 2 hands. Fine. So here you can see this all the numbers. It starts from 1 till end 12. Okay. These numbers indicate hours and minutes. ये जो numbers होते हैं ना, वो hours भी बताते हैं और minutes भी बताते हैं. Minutes कौन बताता है, long hand. Okay. Hours कौन बताता है, short hand. Okay. This is the clock. Fine. This is the clock. This is face. Okay. ये जो curve दिख रहा है ना, ये face होता है उसका. And these are the 2 hands. This is long one, minute hand. Short one is called hour hand. Understood? You remember this much? Now here on the next page they have shown, see, the short hand is called the hour hand. ये जो short hand होता है ना, इसे हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, hour hand भी बोल सकते हैं. Why? Yes, why we can call hour hand? Yes, because it shows hour. That's why it is called hour hand. H-O-U-R, R-H-A-N-D, hand, hour hand. Okay, and the long hand is called the minute hand. Can you see this long hand? Yes, this is also called minute hand. Minute hand इसे क्यों बोलते हैं? Yes, क्योंकि ये minutes हमें बताता है. ओके, सो अंडरस्टूड अबाउट दिस 2, समझ में आया, गॉट इट. लॉन्ग हैंड, ये इससे थोड़ा सा ऐसा लंबा है, इसीलिए ये लॉन्ग हैंड, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड मिनट हैंड. एंड दिस इज शॉर्ट हैंड, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड आवर हैंड. ओके, हियर ऑन द क्लॉक ऑल्सो यू कैन सी. फाइन, सी दिस इज फेस. ये फेस, these are the numbers. Okay, and this is minute hand, and this is short hand. Okay, long hand, short hand, or else minute hand, hour hand. Okay, and this face is also called dial. Fine. Okay, when the minute hand points exactly at 12 and the hour hand point towards any of the number, it means that the clock is showing an exact hour and no minutes. See, when the minute hand, when the long hand is on 12, okay students, pay attention. When the minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand, it can be on any number. Okay, it can be on any number. Now here you can see on 3, it can be on any number, 4, 5, 6, any number. So what is the time, what it shows? Yes, it shows exact hour. What it shows? Exact hour, time, and there is no minutes. जब long hand 12 पे होता है और short hand कौन से भी नंबर पे हो, ओके, कौन से भी नंबर पे हो, तो टाइम क्या होगा, उतने ही आवर्स होंगे। यानी यहाँ पे 3 पे है तो 3 means 3 o'clock we can say. What we can say? 3 hour clock. Got it? 3 hour clock. If suppose this shorthand is on 4, so what is the time? Exact 4 o'clock. What we can say? Exact 4 o'clock. Okay, but when we can say this when the minute hand is at 12. जब लॉन्ग हैंड या फिर मिनट हैंड 12 पे होता है तभी क्या होता है? एग्जैक्टली उतने ही बचते हैं, यानी उतने ही आवर्स होते हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट वी कॉल दिस आवर क्लॉक. आवर क्लॉक मीन्स ऑफ द क्लॉक. ओके, वी कॉल दिस एज आवर clock. Why we call? Because it is of the clock. Got it? In the clock shown here, the hour hand points exactly at 3 and the minute hand points towards 12. So it is, the time is 3 o'clock. Okay, in this clock the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 3. So what we can say? 3 o'clock. ये याद रखो बच्चों कि मिनट हैंड 12 पे ही होना चाहिए. ओके, आवर हैंड, ये जो छोटा हाथ होता है वो कौन से भी नंबर पे हो, लेकिन मिनट हैंड जब 12 पे होता है तभी ही उतने हम आवर्स में बता सकते हैं और मिनट्स नहीं बताते. ओके, अंडरस्टूड दिस वन? फाइन. Now here was 4 o'clock. Okay, like this. If I will draw here towards the 7, then what it is? See, minute hand is at 12 and short hand, hour hand is at 7. So what is the time? Yes, 7 o'clock. What is the time? 7 o'clock. How you will write? In two types you can write. 7 0. ओके, दिस इज आर एंड दिस इज मिनट्स. यहाँ पे हम आवर्स लिखते हैं यानी घंटे लिखते हैं और यहाँ पे मिनट्स लिखते हैं, डॉट्स के बाद मिनट्स लिखते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे कोई मिनट्स है क्या? नहीं है, इसलिए 0. ओके, और एल्स यू कैन राइट 7 आर 7 o'clock. Okay, like this also you can write. In both the way you can write. Fine. Now suppose I will take this shorthand towards 10. Now what will be the timing? See the clock, minute hand is at 12. Okay, and the hour hand is at 10. So what is the time? Good, 10 o'clock. So in this way you can write. Got it everyone? In this blue section what they have written, see, did you know there are 24 hours in a day? Okay, how many hours are there in a day? 24 hours. दिन भर में कितने घंटे होते हैं? 24 घंटे होते हैं, 24 घंटे होते हैं दिन भर में. ओके, देयर इज वन वीडियो आई विल शो यू.
Let us learn more about the clock. A clock is used to find the time of the day. A clock has a face and 2 hands. Numbers 1 to 12 are written on its face. The face of the clock is also known as dial. The short hand is called the hour hand and the long hand is called the minute hand. When the minute hand points exactly to 12 and the hour hand points towards any one of the numbers, it means that the clock is showing an exact hour and no minutes. We call this o'clock. O'clock means of the clock. In the clock shown here, the hour hand points exactly at 3 and the minute hand points towards 12. The time of the clock is 3 o'clock. We can also write it as 3:00.
One more time.
Let us learn more about the clock. A clock is used to find the time of the day. A clock has a face and 2 hands. Numbers 1 to 12 are written on its face. The face of the clock is also known as dial. The short hand is called the hour hand and the long hand is called the minute hand. When the minute hand points exactly to 12 and the hour hand points towards any one of the numbers, it means that the clock is showing an exact hour and no minutes. We call this o'clock. O'clock means of the clock. In the clock shown here, the hour hand points exactly at 3 and the minute hand points towards 12. The time of the clock is 3 o'clock. We can also write it as 3:00.
Got it everyone, students? So how we can tell the time? Fine. See, one more time I will draw here. This is the face. Okay, this is the face. These are the numbers and these are the 2 hands, long and short. Okay, or else minute hand or hour hand. Okay, the time starts from, or the number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to 12. ओके, जैसे कि मैंने अभी बताया, मिनट हैंड जब 12 पे हो और शॉर्ट हैंड या फिर आर हैंड कौन से भी नंबर पे हो, वेदर इट इज़ 1, 2, 3, तो वो एग्जैक्टली क्या बताता है, उतने आवर्स बताता है. क्या बताता है? उतने आवर्स बताता है. ओके, गॉट इट स्टूडेंट्स? सपोज See, suppose the minute hand is on 1, okay, and the short hand is towards the 3. Is it 3 o'clock, students? देखो ठीक से, लॉन्ग हैंड कहाँ पे है? 1 पे, और शॉर्ट हैंड कहाँ पे है? 3 पे. तो ये 3 o'clock हो गया क्या? एग्जैक्टली 3 o'clock हो गया क्या? नहीं, दिस इज नॉट 3 o'clock. वाई? बिकॉज द मिनट हैंड इज ऑन 1. यस, एग्जैक्टली 3 o'clock कब बोलते हैं? जब मिनट हैंड 12 पे होता है. ओके, जैसे जैसे ये मिनट हैंड आगे जाएगा ना, तब उतने मिनट्स बढ़ेंगे. क्या बढ़ेंगे? मिनट्स बढ़ेंगे. अभी ये मिनट हैंड कहाँ पे है? 12 पे, तो एग्जैक्टली 3 o'clock. जैसे मिनट हैंड बढ़ेगा 1 पे, 2 पे, 3 पे आएगा तो मिनट्स बढ़ेंगे. ओके, गॉट इट एवरीवन? आई विल शो यू दैट ऑन दिस वन क्लॉक. फाइन. सो दिस इज 3 o'clock. लाइक दैट यू कैन शो फॉर 4, 5 एंड 6 ऑल्सो. from 12 to 1, can you see a gap? Okay, can you see a gap? Yes, it has some lines. What it has? It has some lines. What it indicates? Yes, what it indicates? Yes, from 12 to 1, it is of 5 minutes. How many? 5 minutes. 12 से लेके 1 तक ये कितने मिनट्स होते हैं? 5 मिनट्स होते हैं. फिर और 1 to 2, this is also of 5 minutes. Okay, then again this is also again 5 minutes. Then from 12 to 3, total how minutes? 5, 10, 15 minutes. Okay, then again 3 to 4, more 5 minutes, 20 minutes. Then again 4 to 5, 25 minutes. Okay, and this comes to okay, then the time you can tell 3 o'clock. And how many minutes it has passed? 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes. क्योंकि 12 से ये लॉन्ग हैंड कितने पास करते हुए आए हैं? 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is like 20 minutes. Okay, then again it will go forward. It will come to 7, and this hour hand will come between 3 and 4. Okay, so what is the time? Yes, this is 3:35. देखो काउंट करो, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक 20 आ गया, यहाँ से यहाँ लेके 25. Okay, and from here to here it will come 30. And from here to 6 to 7 it will come 35. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25, 25 plus 5 30, 30 plus 5 is 35. So what is the time? 3. How many minutes? 35. Okay, then again it will go to 10. Suppose it will go to 10. Okay, then how many minutes? Till 7 it was 35. Then till 8 it becomes 40. And then from 8 to 9 more 5 minutes, 45. From 9 to 10, 50. So 3 o'clock 50 minutes. Got? And then this hour hand, minute hand makes a round, came till 10 and went on 12. What is the time, students? See, this is exactly at 12, and the hour hand will come to the next number. 3 finish. 3 का एक पूरा राउंड हो गया है ना. ये पूरा राउंड करके मिनट हैंड कहाँ पे आ गया है? 12 पे. तो अभी शॉर्ट हैंड कहाँ पे जाएगा? नेक्स्ट नंबर. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट नंबर? 4 o'clock. Got it, everyone? This is called this reading in minutes. It is not there for you, but then too for your knowledge I have explained. Okay, students, you just remember whenever the minute hand is 12 on 12 and the hour hand on any number, it shows that many hours. ये आप ध्यान में रखो. ये बाकी का सब मैंने मिनट्स सिर्फ आपके नॉलेज के लिए बताया है. Okay, and this 12 to 1, how many minutes? 5 minutes. And how many hours? अभी हमने 3 से स्टार्ट किया था, तो 4 तक आने के लिए कितने घंटे लगते हैं? यस, कितने मिनट्स लगते हैं? 60 मिनट्स लगते हैं. तो ये 3 से लेके 4 तक कितने घंटे होते हैं? 1 घंटा, है ना. तो 12 से लेके 1 तक 1 घंटा, 1 से लेके 2 तक 1 घंटा, 2 से लेके 3, 3 घंटे। ऐसे करते करते पूरे दिन में कितने घंटे होते हैं? 24 hours are there in one day. Okay, and our day starts from when? Yes, कब से डे स्टार्ट होता है? जब आप उठते हो तब से? नहीं, no, the day starts for you from when you get up, but the day starts जब रात के 12 बजते हैं ना, तो रात के 12 बजने के बाद नया दिन चालू होता है। Got it everyone? Fine. Now we will see the practice time. Okay, see, this is the clock. Okay, this is the clock. Wait, I will remove this. Yeah, this is the clock. Face and numbers. The numbers they have written in Roman numbers, but you can understand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 12. Now the minute hand. See, this is long hand and this is short hand. That is minute hand and hour hand. Now where is minute hand? Good, on 12. Where is hour hand? It is on where? 9. So what is the time? 9 o'clock. Okay. Now suppose this hour hand I will take here. What is the time? Minute hand कहाँ पे है? 12 पे, और hour hand कहाँ पे है? 11 पे। तो क्या हो गया टाइमिंग? 11 o'clock. What? 11 o'clock. Okay. Now this minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on this number. So what is the time? 5 o'clock. Very good. Okay. अगर ये यहाँ से minute hand अगर 12 पे नहीं है, यहाँ पे 1 पे है, तो ये 5 o'clock हो गया क्या? नहीं। 5 o'clock कब होता है या फिर 3 o'clock? एग्जैक्टली वही नंबर कब होता है? जब 12 पे हो तभी। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे इन आवर दिस पीरियड we have learned about the clock, face, hands, and the face is also called dial, how to read the clock. These things we have learned in this period. Okay, remaining part we will see in the next period. Thank you everyone. Bye.